All right, so I'm gonna just review some of the things that I couldn't record really well while I was working. Basically, you put this on first. So you put this bottom part on first. And then you're gonna need another person because you need to line these up. And then this sits on there. And then you slowly drop this down on it. Once you drop that down on it, then after everything is in, everything is good, you're ready to cut this out. And then you might have to keep this loose a little bit until you fit this part, and then you can tighten these bolts. Also up here, I cut out a shape where the air comes out from. So I just cut out the insulation. If you don't cut it out, you can cut it out later, but it's much easier to cut it out before. All right.
Come check us out at magicwandcompany.com.